Hello and welcome to the Chestnut Ridge Research Building, or CRRB as most of us call it. Please give us your attention for a few minutes while we provide you with a briefing about the safety features and practices at CRRB. In the unlikely event of a serious emergency, it could save your life. The Chestnut Ridge Research Building houses the Research Administration and Support offices for West Virginia University. This includes the Office of the Vice President for Research and the Office of Sponsored Programs, among others. It also houses the Regional Research Institute and the staff offices of the university's High Performance Computing program. Altogether, about 150 people spend their days working in the Chestnut Ridge Research Building.
The building has two main doors used for entry and exit by building occupants and visitors. The main door is located in the front of the building. It is normally unlocked from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Mondays through Fridays. It is automatically locked from 5 p.m. through 7 a.m. every workday. It is also locked on weekends from 5 p.m. on Friday through 7 a.m. on Monday, and it is always locked on WVU holidays.
When the front door is locked, you will need to swipe your authorized Mountaineer card to get in the building. Just swipe your card from top to bottom of the reader. You should see the word permit on the reader's display, and you should hear a faint click in the door. Pull on the door and enter. The door will remain unlocked for about 5 seconds. The side door of CRRB is a convenient exit to reach the largest of the building's parking areas. This door is, however, a fire door and must never be left propped open or unlocked. There are 3 doors on the rear of the building. These doors are not routinely used for entry and exit. The double doorway on the left of the rear of the building is an entrance to a mechanical room. It should only be used by authorized personnel. The rightmost door on the rear of the building is an exit from one of the building's stairways. It, like the side door, is a fire door and should never be left open or unlocked.
CRRB has 2 elevators, one in the front of the building and a larger freight elevator near the front of the building. In the event of a fire or other emergency calling for an evacuation, do not use these elevators. CRRB also has 2 stairwells. One is located next to the large freight elevator and the other at the rear of the building. These stairwells extend from the top to the bottom of the building. If there is a need to evacuate CRRB, these stairwells should be used to reach the ground floor and exit to a safe area.
There are fire alarms on each floor. When you hear this alarm or see the flashing light, it is an indication that everyone should evacuate the building. Each floor also has 1 or more fire extinguishers. Generally, these are located in quarters or in office suite areas. They may be used to fight small fires. Usage instructions are located on the side of the extinguisher. Building evacuation plans are posted throughout the building. In most cases, these are located near floor exits. Each of these diagrams shows your location and, most importantly, the available exits on that floor. In the event of a fire or other emergency that requires an evacuation of the building, you should leave your office and close the door, but leave it unlocked. Then you should proceed to the nearest available stairway and exit to the outside of the building. After exiting the building, you should proceed to the muster location in Lot 61. There you will find a set of numbered signposts. You should go to the post that corresponds to your floor and make sure that everyone is accounted for. If anyone is not accounted for, inform the building supervisor or the incident commander from the fire department or the university police. Never leave the area without making sure that someone knows that you are safely out of the building. Some severe weather events may require that everyone in CRRB shelter in place. In such events, everyone should move to interior hallways or suite areas on lower floors of the building. Care should be taken to stay away from exterior walls and especially glass windows and doors. Everyone should remain in these safe areas until advised that the danger no longer exists. Automatic external defibrillators, or AEDs, are located on floors 2 and 4. If there's a medical emergency that suggests the need for the use of an AED, go to the nearest AED cabinet. Remove the AED from the cabinet and take it to the person needing medical assistance. The AED is in a cloth bag. Be sure to take the bag and its contents. Remove the AED from the bag and follow the instructions on the machine. Periodic training in the use of the AEDs will be available to CRRB staff. Thank you for watching our briefing on safety at the Chestnut Ridge Research Building. If you have any questions or if you have any ideas that might improve safety around our building, please contact a member of the CRRB Safety Committee.